Hello everyone. My name is Abel Muhammad Ramdhani and my friend are Chelsea Raya and Fatia Rehana. Today I'm going to present about framework and technique negotiation. Let's start the presentation.
For the first, negotiation is a process of communication or bargaining between two or more people with differing interests to reach a mutually beneficial agreement. Negotiation is often used in various fields such as business, sales, and logistic management to resolve issues and build good relationship between parties.
So, let's start with BATNA. BATNA stands for the best alternative to a negotiated agreement. It is your best option if you cannot reach a deal with the other party. In simple words, what will you do if this negotiation fails? Your BATNA is your walkaway point. You should never accept any agreement. This is worse than your BATNA. For example, if you are applying for a job and you have another order from a different company, the other is your BATNA. Knowing your BATNA gives you power and confidence in negotiation. And now the ZUPA, zone of possible agreement. ZUPA is the range of overlap between the seller reservation price and the buyer reservation price where a deal is possible. If the seller minimum is eight eight dollar and the buyer maximum is $10, then the ZUPA is from 8 to 10. Any number within that range can be agreed upon if there is no overlap. For example, the seller wants $9, but the buyer will only pay $7. Then there is no ZUPA and no deal is possible. Your job as a negotiator is to find or expand the ZUPA.
Oke, the next ada type of framework. Framework itu ada tiga jenisnya. Framework itu untuk explain the negotiation process from start to finish. Tapi biasanya framework yang biasa digunain itu adalah framework deals, di mana deals ini ada define, explore, agree, legitimize, and sustain. Define ini for identify objective and issue, explore for gathering information and identifying the needs of both parties, agree, reach an agreement, legitimize for support the argument with data or clear reasoning, and sustain for maintaining a cooperative relationship after negotiation are concluded. Nah, selain framework deals itu ada Harvard Negotiation Framework dan juga Agreement Framework. Harvard ini tuh digunain kalau fokusnya of the mindset during negotiation, specifically on finding win-win solution. Sedangkan kalau agreement framework ini tuh digunain after the negotiation process has been successfully completed.
Oke, next ada teknik negotiation. Jadi, method or strategies used in the negotiation process to help reach a mutual, mutually beneficial agreement. Yang pertama ada win-win solution. Jadi, a negotiation strategy in which each party involved can achieve a balanced profit or satisfaction. No one lost. The two reached an agreement that met their respective needs. Yang kedua ada persuasion. How to present an argument is an important as the contents of the argument. Good persuasion drive vendor decision without pressure based on logic and empathy. Yang terakhir ada compromise, rigid negotiation, and in dead end smart compromise mean being flexible in other areas if one aspect cannot be lowered. The result can be equal or even better than focusing on phrase alone.
Lalu di sini juga ada beberapa faktor yang bisa yang can influence the success of negotiation. Yang pertama itu ada preparation, yang kedua ada bargaining power, yang ketiga ada information availability, yang keempat ada goals and interest, yang kelima ada emotion and attitude, yang keenam ada communication skill, yang ketujuh ada relationship between parties, yang kedelapan ada cultural difference.
Penutupan.
Thank you everyone. Uh,
Thank you for listening to presentation about negotiation and from rock. Thank you. Terima kasih.
bye bye.
Nah.